आध्यात्मिकादिभिः दुःखैः अविमुक्तस्य कर्हिचित् मर्त्यस्य कृच्छोपनहतैः अर्थै कामे क्रियेत किम्. Materialist activities are always mixed with three kinds of material conditions: Adhyatmika, Adi, Devika, Adi, Bhautika. Therefore, even if one achieves some success of performing such activity, what is the benefit of success? One is still subjected to birth, old age, disease, and reactions of his fruitive activities. There is the famous verse: Uttishta Jagrata Prapta Vara Nibodat Shurasya Dhara Nishita Duratya Durgam Pathavat Kavayo Vadanti. Heard this verse? Everywhere this will be there, some Swami's name. Arise, work hard. Everywhere, till goal is achieved. Wrong meaning. Uttishta, that's correct. Jagrita, that is also correct. Praptu Vara Niboda. Try to understand the great boon you got in human life. Human life, the boon is not for material activity, it is for spiritual activity. That's the boon, no? Other things can happen in animal life also. Eating, sleeping, what's the big deal? Uttishta Jagrita Prapta Vara Nimodad. Here you got a great opportunity, you got a great vara. Try to understand the great, just like now this recorder is there. It can act like a paperweight also. Is it the best use of the recorder? Then why I spend 6,000-7,000 rupees? Stone I can get from outside and it will act like a paperweight and prove to be a paperweight. So most of the people today, they are saying we are like animals, correct? But that limited understanding, just like this is a paperweight, correct? But that is the label you are in. It has better use, but you don't know how to use it. So human body, most of the people do not know what is the best use of the body. And the best use of the body is spiritual advancement. They do not know. But then when you want to reach the soul, you have to reach it through the mind. You cannot jump. Bodies we can detach, but very difficult to detach from the mind. I was yesterday hearing something very interesting. All of us are looking, Prabhupada says, for the best friend. You're looking on one person who is a very good friend. You can create that friend. That's your mind. Your mind, you can make it to your best friend. Correct? Bhagavad Gita says that in the 6th chapter, 5th and 6th verse. The mind can be the best friend. The mind can be the best enemy. It's for us. So we can create the best friend. हम अपने मन को सबसे अच्छा अपना दोस्त बना सकते हैं. Train कर सकते हैं and you'll be a best friend always. But instead of that, anybody wants to have the best enemy? Constantly thinking to destroy you? Nobody wants. But that's what we do. We create our mind to be the greatest enemy. You see, very interesting thing. Our mind can be the best friend. So we have to just train our mind. It becomes the best friend. We all want a very good friend. Sridhara, understand the argument. All of us are looking for a wonderful friend in this world. Proper argument. Yesterday we saw. Looking on a चाहिए नहीं दुर्लभ, बहुत अच्छा दोस्त चाहिए, सबको ढूंढ रहा है अच्छा दोस्त मिलने का. Then you feel very happy. है, अपना मन को बना सकते हो. ट्रेन करके वो आपका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त बन जाएगा. और सबको डर लगता है कि मेरा कोई भयंकर दुश्मन नहीं होने का. हम लोग मन को अच्छा दोस्त बनाने से अच्छा उसको सबसे भयंकर दुश्मन बना डालते हैं. करेक्ट? यू आर ट्राइंग टू रीड भगवद गीता, डोंट रीड, माइंड विल से डोंट रीड. ट्रू और नॉट? Actually, our mind today because of a wrong training, it has become the most dangerous enemy, and it only disturbs us. So this is the situation of this world. And we do not take the vara, the great boon we got, the mind will not allow you to take that boon. Rather, it will keep disturbing it. This is the misfortune. So here, Prahlad Maharaj is meeting the self-realized soul, the great Paramahamsa, who is lying down. And yesterday we discussed, there are two vrittis, Madhukara vritti and Ajagara vritti. Madhukara vritti means collect honey, and somebody else will steal it. So all the karmis in society are like that. They're working. So do. Krishna doesn't have to work, Prabhupada says, because he doesn't have to improve his economic position. He has everything. Therefore, Krishna has no need to work. But we have to work because we want to improve our economic position. Correct? Working hard, we have 10,000 rupees, we should have 20,000 rupees, working hard whole life. You want to improve. What kind of God are you? Many people think I am God. God working hard to earn some money. Why? Why? He is a Lakshminatha, है ना? Many people know Mayavadi say we are God. Okay, what kind of God is this? He has to work hard to earn some 2 rupees. God means he can get gold mines. Why he has to work? Natasya karyam karana chavati. He had no reason to work. Millions of servants are waiting to serve him. He had no need to work. Krishna is very happy. Krishna is very satisfied. So there is no, but we have to work. When people are working whole life, and this is our basic philosophy, they are working whole life very hard, but what is the result of that? They are not able to enjoy. Krishna has given a certificate, Dukhalayam Ashashata. This word is a temporary place of misery. Krishna has given another certificate. We cannot undo that, no? It is Krishna's certificate. And what are we trying? Sukhalayam Shashvatam. All medical science, all knowledge society trying to turn Dukhalayam to Sukhalayam, Ashashvatam to Shashvatam. They are trying to counter. The nature, the design of the world is Dukhalayam Shashvatam. And what you are trying to convert it into? Sukhalayam and Shashvatam. Which is not possible. Why? Janma Mritu Jara Vyadhi, which will not allow it. It will contaminate it. Just like you are eating some sweet rice and I put mud in it. Now eat. You can't eat. आपको खाना है गुलाब जामुन, मैं मिट्टी डाल देगा उसे, खाओ, खाएगा? नहीं खा सकता, खराब हो गया, है ना, खराब हो गया. सेम वे इस दुनिया में मज़ा ऐसा नहीं है. आप मज़ा करने की कोशिश करेगा, अरे पेट दर्द हो गया, अरे सिर दर्द हो गया, अरे आध्यात्मिक आदि भौतिक आदि दैविक. आध्यात्मिक माइंड एंड बॉडी विल डिस्टर्ब मी, and we can even include Janma Mritu Jara Vyadhi and Adhyatmika. Adi Bhautika, other living entities are disturbing me, correct? You are sitting peacefully, mosquito will come and start biting. Can't sit also then. Whole night, one mosquito can spoil your sleep, correct? Mostly they go and bite on the legs, hai? Because they know it's furthest. They go bite in the hand, you'll do patta, they'll die. They are also intelligent, because that is very far. Then once it bits, then khujli. Whole night you'll not get sleep, true? One mosquito can spoil your whole night's sleep. You put mosquito net, if one goes inside, over. Now what you will do? Whole night you have to search where that idiot is, not allowing you to sleep. So Deva Adi Bhautika, other living entities will disturb you. Adi and Adi Devika, the nature. So hot yesterday we saw, so hot. Nature is disturbing. So you cannot be peaceful in this world. Now something very interesting we learned recently. Let us with that conclude. Prabhupada says, don't glorify life, don't glorify death. Don't do both of them. Now let us understand this. Previous shloka. Some people glorify life, that is karmis. Mast maja madi, hai na? Your life is there, you are a young man, you enjoy. Don't deny the pleasures of life. Friends tell you, you are denying the pleasures of life. You should also have girlfriends, you should go to cinema, you should watch sports, you should jump, dance, enjoy life, celebrate life. They say all this thing. Celebrating life, what all nonsense arrive. And there are some people who celebrate, glorify death. Death, everything will be over. They are mostly Mayavadis. Karmis, they celebrate life. Mayavadis, they glorify death. So then you will stop all material activities. Correct? Bhoga, Tyaga. Both are wrong. So, see, death is there. Everything will finish no one day. They are jnanis. But because they have no understanding of God, this is not correct. You should understand both life and death is from Krishna. Never disconnect anything from Krishna. We should not disconnect anything from Krishna. Yesterday we were reading 6th chapter, Prabhupada said Jiva has no independent identity. Can you say shine? It is sunshine, not shine. Can you disconnect sunshine from sun? It makes no sense. Sunshine cannot exist without sun. It is totally dependent on sun. It has no independent identity. You cannot say, I have sunshine with me. You have sunshine, not independent. It's energy of sun. You cannot disconnect energy from the energetic. Just like you say, heat is there, nothing to do with fire. What is the nonsense? Heat is coming because of fire. No, I have light coming from fire. Then light is connected to fire, correct or no? Can you separate heat and light from fire? It doesn't make a sense. It is part of it. So similarly, Jiva cannot be separated from Krishna. You cannot separate Jiva from Krishna. It is eternal. Jiva Krishna Das, E Vishwasya Kalle Tara Dukha Nahi. That should be the understanding. So this is very clearly to be understood. So how a devotee deals with it, even death he sees the arrangement of Krishna, life also arrangement of Krishna. Correct? Always peaceful. It's very peaceful. Difficulties come in life, that is also Krishna's arrangement. And he takes it as mercy of Krishna. Just like Prahlad Maharaj. So much anyaya happened to him, so much injustice, so many attempts to kill him, just because he's chanting Harinama. Hana, people became his enemies. Father became Hiranyakashipu. So angry, he's chanting Harinama. Prahlad Maharaj is so peaceful. You so noticed? Huh? You not disturbed. He won. He won his eyes. Finally, Krishna came and protected. Kaunteya pratijani name bhakta pranashyati. Krishna will always protect his devotees. That faith we should have. Two things we need in life. We need maintenance and protection. What are the things we need in life? Maintenance and protection. Correct? And then both are actually Krishna gave. Krishna, 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 hey! Krishna, 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 hey! Krishna, Keshava, Krishna, Keshava, Krishna, Keshava. Payam. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava. Rakshama. Krishna Paimam, Krishna Rakshama. Krishna Paimam, Krishna Rakshama. Krishna, please maintain me. Krishna, please protect me. Krishna, please maintain me. Krishna, please protect me. We know he is the one. Then we feel very peaceful, very, very peaceful. Devotee's life is very, very... He just sees that he has a comfortable situation to serve Krishna. Life is short. Opportunity is short. But how do I serve Krishna in this opportunity? Okay? In a favorable situation. In an association of devotees, under the guidance of devotees, living a pure, peaceful life. And every day goes. My day has gone in satisfying Krishna. So this much is rare. People understand till this much. But then after that, they don't understand the unique. Some people are very religious, but they don't understand the unique power of holy name. 70 Prabhupada was in Delhi. Swami ji, Harinam में बहुत शक्ति है. Prabhupada है, लेकिन जप करना पड़ता है. हरिनाम में बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, हरिनाम में बहुत शक्ति है. Prabhupada एक बार ही नहीं, उसको ध्यान से जप करो. So when you attentively, sincerely chant, Iti Shodashaka Namanam Kali Kalmashanashanam Nata Parataropaya Sarva Vedesha Dishate. These 16 words have all the power. Iti Shodashaka Namanam Kali Kalmashanashanam will destroy all the bad effect of Kali. Nata Para Atara Upaya. There is no better method. Para means other method. Para Atara Upaya. There is no greater method. Para means Parop. There is no greater method. There is no other method. Sarveda Shuddhashyate. If you see all the Vedas, there is no greater and other method than the chanting of Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Always we should chant. It's the Adesha of the Acharya. Always we should chant. Take care. Sometimes we are not well, we are having fever, we are sick. We can chant in the mind, but difficult to chant in mind. Mind is. But somehow the chanting should go on. Chanting should never be stopped. Whatever condition, if chanting is done, rest Krishna will take care. Take care. So we take one step, Krishna take 10 steps. So our part we see. Kalo dosh nide raja nastide kamahan guna kirtana deva Krishna se mukta saranga paramrajet. Kali is an ocean fought for one great quality just by chanting Harinama. Kirtana with Krishna se mukta sanga paramrajet. We become liberated. Okay? So now coming back to the situation, the Madhukara Vritti generally society follows, working hard to collect some honey, and honey is taken away. There is fight also for it. So people come to take away honey, the bees attack him. Correct? There is the fight also. So much. So whole world, their perfection of life is hook and crook, get money. We can steal, like we had that recently. Not recently, many years ago, one truck overturned. Respectable people were looting from the truck. We saw from our balcony. Respectable people. Because life is somehow or the hook or crook some money, and that is success of life. Somebody asked one person, are you intelligent? He said, wait a minute. I saw his pocket. Good bundle of money with him. I am very intelligent. So success in intelligence means बहुत पैसा बना, बहुत अकलमंद है, बहुत पैसा बना. बोलता नहीं, समाज में ऐसा बोलता है. That is the success of life for society. But no, success of life is something else. Success of life is how much faith you are developing in Guru and Krishna. How much attraction you are developing. How much taste you are developing. Okay? Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nave Kevalam, Kalau Nasti Eva Nasti Eva Gatinanata. Kalyuga, there is no other way, no other way, no other way. Only Harinama, only Harinama, only Harinama. Okay? So we should take shelter, sincere shelter of the holy name. Constantly, Nirantara, Nama Japa, we should chant. If the time permits, we should chant 64 rounds. Why 60 rounds? 64. Proper instruction is actually for 64. It's only because people could not do, he reduced to 60. Chant. When you're free, chant. Just chant. Whenever you get time, just keep hearing the holy vibration of the names of the Lord. And Namna Makari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti. All the potency is there. And then what to do, when to do, how to do, where to do, Krishna will reveal. Prabhupada says that. आपको क्या करने का? अच्छा से जप करने का. क्या करने का, किधर करने का, क्यों करने का, सब Krishna will reveal. कब करने का, सब Krishna will reveal. It become very easy, as understandable, because Krishna takes charge then. So then the saint is following something known as Ajagar Vritti. Ajagar Vritti means he's just lying down somewhere. Sometimes people honor him, they bathe him, they put chandan on him, put him on a palace, and he's fed a big feast. Sometimes he's lying without any clothes in a dirty area, and people are spitting on him and they are making fun of him. Sometimes he gets to eat wonderful food with great respect. Sometimes he gets dirty food given without any respect. He said, I don't care for all this, I want to advance spiritually. Just like Bhagavad Gita, very interesting verse it is. It is said, if you have this calculation, and Grihasthas always have that calculation. Today I have this much money, I'll work out, tomorrow I have that much money. Correct? Bhagavad Gita says you are a Rakshas. If you have that calculation. You have that shloka, you seen that? If you say today I have this much money, tomorrow I have this much money, you are a Rakshas. So all of Grihasthas are Rakshas. Brahmachari is also sometimes, we are also thinking, if I have this much money, I'll have this much money, then I'll do this. Why it is we are Rakshas at that moment? Sometimes. Why? What is the reason? The reason is, you should not be thinking of samriddhi or money as a devotee. Your focus should be on samriddhi, on your Krishna consciousness. See, according to Kala Karma, money may come, may not come. Sometime there may be no money. Possible. You cannot break your head against the wall. According to Kala Karma, what Krishna gives, you accept it. But always I am dreaming, I want more money, I want more money, I want more money, I want more money. You cease to be a devotee now. Devotee means always, I want to increase more Krishna, I want more Krishna, more Krishna, more Krishna. Correct? The residents of Gopis, they are divine. What they are thinking? More money? More. They already had money at home. They were very rich. Nand Maharaj was very rich. When Krishna was born, he gave 4 lakh cows and gift. Anybody can give today 4 lakh cows. With all, that also not just like that, all decorated with silk and gold, silver. Nicely decorated cows, not a cow just like that. Anna? Lakhs of cow he was giving in Dakshina. Krishna was taking care of how many lakhs cows when he became a small boy? Gopa. As to Krishna cow ke care marta rahe? 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. See? So, we should understand this principle. So, we cannot imitate Ajagar Vritti of this Paramahamsa. He's totally free. Sometimes he's honored, sometimes he's dishonored. He's totally indifferent. Because he does not, he is not. See, we are desiring money should increase, we are desiring respect should increase, we are desiring fame should increase. Correct or not? Let us be honest. We're all victim of this. But Paramahamsa is not desiring. He's just wanting his faith in Krishna to increase. Correct? His taste for service Krishna's to interest. His knowledge of Krishna to interest. His bhakti of Krishna to. He wants it to enhance. Mainly he wants to enhance, as a result of that his bhakti increases every day more and more. Devotion to the Lord increases day by day. That is what a devotee wants. But normal karmi, what he wants? Money increases day by day by day. Andha yathande upani manam teshu utatanda buridhamni. But they're saying, come follow me. Your blind man is saying, come behind me, you go. You will also fall into ditch, he will also fall into ditch. Anna? That is the society. Pitana sasya janani sasyad na mochayetnya anumrityu. It says, don't be father, don't be mother if you cannot deliver your dependent. So this should be our focus, that we got a rare human form of life. Prapta varan nibodat, greater boon. Now in this life we can easily achieve Krishna's lotus feet. So let us be serious and persecute Krishna consciousness. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.